Something as simple as Tylenol or Advil had to go through a clinical trial at one point to make sure it was safe and viable for everybody. Whether we see it or not, it's all happening in the background, and we do need it in order to create a safe and healthier community.
Headlands Research is a clinical trial site company. We focus on testing pharmaceuticals so that we can get great therapeutics out to people in need. Our goal is to profoundly change the clinical trial process, still focusing on the importance of safety and also focusing on diverse patient populations.
So here in the city of Portland, it's a big city. There's not a lot of research companies here. So having Headlands here is not only a bonus for Headlands, but a bonus for the community as well.
I really love working in Portland. I've lived here most of my life. Kind of feels like a smaller city that also feels like home.
Within the Headlands network, we're all over the country and in Canada, we're getting a ton of diversity in the patient populations that we're recruiting for our respective trials.
It's better for clinical trials to include a wide variety of participants because no two people are going to respond to a drug the same way.
Clinical trials play an integral role in the future of healthcare because without research, we don't know which treatments work and which treatments don't work.
Headlands wouldn't be where it is right now without the benefit of private equity, both from a capital perspective, but also just the resources and knowledge to build and grow. We build de novo sites. We've done that throughout the US, particularly focused in diversity, and we're also working across healthcare systems. That's the kind of partnership that I like to have with groups that I work with on a private equity level. And KKR has been an exemplar on that.
We get people who call us all the time who live in New York, who live in Texas, who live in California, and we can say now, hey, we have places there for you.
More resources, new people, it all helps to making a better site for patients.
What is private equity?
This is private equity.